Guys, I paid over $500 including shipping from Amazon for a device that just stopped working one day. $500. And honestly, what happened after that, I didn't see it coming at all. So right here is my RØDECaster Duo, and for those who don't know, this is the device I use to record all my audio for my YouTube video. Every video you watch on my YouTube channel, the sound you're hearing is being processed by this thing. It is basically the heartbeat of my whole setup, and I've been using it fine for a couple of months without any issues at all. Then one day I connected into the internet, and after that it never booted properly again. And every time I try to turn it on, it loads and freezes around 90%. For months now, this thing has literally been driving me very crazy. And since I literally use this thing every day, my workflow have stopped. I am here in Nigeria, and it is not like I can walk into any store and get it returned or replaced. This thing has to go back to the US. So as a tech bro, I went on YouTube and Google to look for answers. Some people say discharge the power completely, allow it for a couple of days, and try to on it while holding channel 1 and channel 2 until it boots completely. Some others say unplug and reconnect the power cable multiple times, like up to 8 times, and try booting it on anytime you connect the power cable. I tried all of that. Everything I see, I tried. Nothing worked for me. At this point, I was frustrated and I had to reach out to the RØDE support directly. They walked me more troubleshooting steps, and these are the kind of things I've already tried, which I saw online. Still, in my case, nothing worked, but they did not leave me there. They connected me to their partner who is in charge of Asia and Africa. For verification, I had to send them my receipt, and I also sent them the serial number of the device. They checked everything, and thankfully my 2 years warranty is still active. And then they came back with something I wasn't expecting at all. They told me that the spare part needed to fix my device is not readily available at the moment. But instead of leaving it there, they offered me a brand new RØDECaster Duo. This is a 1-to-1 replacement. And all they ask in return is for a shout out, and I'm going to do that in my next video once I receive the new RØDECaster Duo. And I will make sure to walk you guys step by step how I reached out to them and how I was able to get to this point. I agreed, and within a few hours someone from their team contacted me, confirmed my details, and within a few hours again someone reached out to me, came to my doorstep and picked the faulty RØDECaster Duo. I should be expecting a new RØDECaster Duo in less than 48 hours. And look, I want to say something very important here. Whenever you're buying any product, especially tech product, make sure you buy from the right dealers. And also make sure you have the proper warranty attached to the device, because things might go wrong, and when they do, the warranty will save you. And also, what you should pick out from this video is that you should not sit on a problem. You can go ahead and contact their support team. And if the brand is real, they will definitely work with you. It might take some time, but it will get sorted out, just like in my own case. By the way, if you want to check out the gadgets I use for my workspace and in creating content like this, I left a link in the description below. They are affiliate links, so when you buy from them, I earn small commissions. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but when you buy through those links, it helps me to continue making videos like this. Now I want to hear from you, and not just RØDECaster Duo. Have you ever had any issue with any tech products or brands or anything at all? And how did you handle it? What worked for you? Drop it in the comment section. Someone watching this video might need your answers. Now follow me so you don't miss the next video where I unbox the replacement and show you step by step from start to finish how I got here. Stay curious, stay ahead, see you in the next video, and bye.